So continuing where we left off, I want to show you an example of two matrices that cannot be added. So for instance, if I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, and this matrix, 1, 2, 1, 1, 5, 5, the problem is you can't add these because this is a 2 by 2 and this is a 3 by 2. And therefore they do not match, and so you'd have nowhere to add these two. You can't just create a new row on the other one and say there's zeros. That doesn't work. And so you would say not able to add or subtract for that matter. So some other things we can do, we can multiply a whole matrix by a scalar. So for instance, if I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say this is matrix A, and I ask you for 5A, negative 5A, then all you're going to do is do negative 5 times each entry. And we get negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, and negative 20. And that would be negative 5A. That would be the matrix negative 5A. Okay. We can use sort of like order of operations type things too. So let's use this example here. They give us these two matrices, and they ask us to compute the following. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done negative 5A, but I used a different matrix. But let's do 2A plus 3B. 2A is going to equal 2 times every entry in A, so I'm just going to do that without writing it, or without showing you the steps like I did right here. Okay, I did all that work in this step, but I'm going to skip that and just multiply everything by 2. Negative 2, 8, 3 times 2 is 6, and 0 times 2 is 0. Okay, and 3B will equal 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Okay, and then they want us to add these together. So we want 2A plus 3B, so that's going to equal 4. Negative 2 and 6 is 4, 8 and negative 9 is negative 1, 6 and 15 is 21, and 0 and negative 18 is negative 18. So this would be your solution to that question there. Okay. Now, last but not least, we're going to talk about matrix multiplication. I will do that in the next video. There's quite a bit to it, and then I'll go through some examples. I hope that this is helpful with Alex and the things that you're working on in class. So stay tuned and keep watching the videos. Thanks, you guys.